What up, world? It's your boy Young Wolf. Hard Life. He's been hustling his whole life, money was his wife. Grind to put food in his baby's mouth, he's rude, no doubt. Living the good life, puffin' on J's and fucking hoes in the O. Came to end by the 5-0. Went to prison, lost his vision, served his time, straight dime. As he climbed out the hole, he got his chance to blow. He was dope lyrically, but fuck spiritually. Can't hang with society, prison made a menace to society. Like that loner in a Maserati. Fucked up shit, he lived a hard life. Time to earn money by the mic. Y'all whack rappers can take a hike. That the shit he don't like. Run around blowing it loud. All he was trying to do was make baby girl proud of daddy, so he could live that dream. Cruise around in the caddy. Pop, pop, pop. The end.